Hello my dear EduStar students. Now you are watching EduStar International online class grade 2 and 3 Hindi.
Namaste Pache, a very cheerful morning. I hope you are all safe at home. Last week we have seen how to write consonants the line. Yes, in this week we are going to learn about the next line, pa line, and yara lava.
Shasha Shaha.
Disayeng. What meaning disayeng? Disayeng means directions. That also we will learn. And Ginti. Do you know Ginti? Yes, numbers. That also we will study. Okay students, let's see this video.
The first Vyanjan is bha. Say again pha. Pa say patang. Patang means kite. Say again pha. Okay students, how to write this letter? Shall we start to write? Step 1. Draw a vertical line. Step 2. Draw small curve which touches the vertical line in left. Step 3. Freeze the letter by drawing a slipping line on top. Now say all of you pha. Say again pha. Dear students, some examples pa are pa say patang. Already I said patang means kite. And another one example pa say panka. Panka means fan. 22nd Vyanjan is fa. Say again fa. Do you know how to write this letter? Acha. Shall we start to write? Step 1. Draw a vertical line. Step 2. Draw small curve which touches the vertical line in left. Step 3. Draw small curve down from the vertical line. Step 4. At last, draw a slipping line on top. Now it becomes a complete letter fa. Some udaharan for are, first say phal. Phal means fruits. 23rd Vyanjan is ba. Students, what is the 23rd letter in Hindi consonants? Ba. Pronunciation it again ba. Ba say bus. Bus means bus. Ba say badak. Badak means duck. It is very simple to write. Let's start to write. Step 1. We draw a vertical line. Step 2. Draw a half circle in middle of the vertical line. Step 3. You draw a slanting line inside the half circle which touches the vertical line. Step 4. You draw a horizontal line or slipping line on top.
Example ba are ba say bus. Bus means bus. Ba say badak. Badak means duck. 24th letter is bha. Students, say again bha. This letter is harsh sound. Say again bha. TK students, let us start to write. Step 1. You draw a loop. Step 2. Continuing it, you draw loop down. Step 3. Then continuing it by drawing horizontal line. Step 4. By touching the horizontal line, you draw a vertical line. Step 5.
As usual, you draw a slipping line on top. Only touches the vertical line. Some udaharan, Berse, Bhavan, building. Berse, Balu, beer. 25th letter is Ma. What is the difference between Bha and Ma? Previous letter we drawn hook-like loop at first, but in this letter we are going to draw vertical line at first. How to write Ma? Step 1. You draw a vertical line. You continuing the vertical line, you draw one loop like this. Step 2. You continuing a loop, you draw one horizontal line. Step 3. You draw vertical line which touches the horizontal line. Step 4. As usual, you draw a slipping line on top. Some examples Ma are Ma say machli, fish. Another one example, Ma say magar, crocodile. 26th letter is A. It is very simple to write. Let's see how to write. Step 1. Draw a inverted C. Step 2. Draw a small curve like this down. Step 3. Draw a vertical line, touch from curve line. Step 4. Finish the letter by drawing a slipping line on top. Some words here are Yatra, journey. Yakya, holy fire. 27th letter is Ra. This letter is very simple to write. Shall we start to write? Step 1. You draw a inverted C. Step 2. From the inverted C, you draw slanting line to the right. Step 3. At last, you draw a slipping line on the top. Some examples are Ras juice. Another one example, Raja, king. 28th letter is La. Okay students, how to write La? Step 1. Draw a vertical line. Step 2. From the vertical line, you draw two humbles like this, one after another. Step 3. Finish the letter by drawing a horizontal line on top. Udaharan, La or Lattu, spinning top. Another one example, Ladka, boy. 29th letter is Va. Do you know 23rd letter? Yes, correct. That letter is Ba. Very good students. This letter Va is also like that 23rd letter Ba. But there is a small change in Ba. Let's start. Step 1. You draw a vertical line. Step 2. Draw a half circle in the middle of the vertical line. Step 3. At last, you draw a slipping line on the top. Example Va are Va say one forest. Va say vastra, dress. 13th Vyanjan is Sha. Say again Sha. All of you say again one time Sha. It is very simple to write. How to write? We will see step by step. Step 1. Draw a loop like hook to the left. How is like this? Yes, it is like 9. Step 2. From this hook shape, you draw a small slanting line. Step 3. You draw one vertical line near to the hook. Now, you draw horizontal line on the top. Students, all of you say how to say this letter? Sha. Again, Sha. Some examples are shalcom, turnip, shahad, honey. The first vyanjan is sha. Sha is very hard sound. All of you say sha. Say again sha. Okay students, how to write this letter? 1. You draw a cow like half U. Step 2. You draw a vertical line which touches cow. Step 3. You draw small slanting line touches from the top left to the bottom right inside the cow. Step 4. As usual, you draw a slipping line on the top. All of you say this letter again one time. Sha. Sha, yes. Some examples sha are shat coat, kekshahan. 32nd letter is sa. Sa say sadak. Sa say samaya. Sa say safal. All of you say this letter sa. Say again sa. Nice. How to write this letter? Step 1. We know already how to write ra. See this letter. I am writing ra at first. Step 2. From the center of the ra, you draw a horizontal bar like this. Step 3. You draw vertical line touches from horizontal line. Step 4. As usual, you draw slipping line on top. All of you say some example of sa. Sadak. Very good. Sa say sadak. Some example sa are sa say sadak. Sadak means road. Sa say circus. Circus means circus. 33 letter is ha. Ha is very simple sound, but writing is very hard. We say ha. Say again ha. How to write ha? Step 1. Start small vertical line and you continuing you draw curve like this. Step 2. Now we are going to write letter C inverse manner from down to up. Step 3. By drawing horizontal line on top. All of you say this letter one time. Ha. Say again ha. Some example ha are ha say hath. Hath hand. Another one example ha say hathi. Hathi means elephant. Now it's our oral session. In this oral session, today we are going to see numbers. First, I will teach you. Listen carefully. After that, you have to repeat with me. Ginti numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, that's 10.
गिनती numbers.
गिनती numbers.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 3,
4, 4,
4, 4,
5, 5,
5, 5,
6,
6,
7, 7,
7,
8, 8,
8, 8,
9,
9,
that's 10.
Next, let us see direction names. Already we know direction name. Now tell me the direction names. North, East, West, South. Super, very good students. You know direction names in English. Now it's time to learn direction names in Hindi. Disayeng. Directions. Purab, East. Pachim,
west. Dakshin, south. Uttar, north.
Disayen, direction.
Disayen, direction.
Purab, east.
Purab, east.
Pachim, west.
Pachim, west.
Dakshin, south.
Dakshin, south.
Uttar, north.
Uttar, north.
धन्यवाद कुटीस.